Hello everyone, myself B. Ramaprabha, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, I am going to brief about arithmetic operations in 8085 microprocessor. The 8085 microprocessor perform various arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, increment and decrement. These arithmetic operations have the following mnemonics: add, add immediate, subtract, subtract immediate, increment and decrement. Addition operation in 8085 microprocessor: any 8-bit number or the content of a register or the content of a memory location can be added to the content of the accumulator and the sum is stored in the accumulator. No two other 8-bit registers can be added directly. Example, the content of register B cannot be added directly to the content of the register C. The first operation is add, which means addition. The opcode is add. The operand is either register or a memory location. This is a 1-byte instruction. As discussed earlier, the content of any register or memory location are added to the content of the accumulator register. The corresponding sum is then saved in the accumulator. If the second addend is a memory, its address is specified by the HL register pair. All flags linked with the addition are updated with the result of the addition performed. Example, add B. When this instruction is executed, the content of register B is added with content of accumulator register and the result is stored in the accumulator register. Next instruction is ADC, add register to accumulator with carry. The opcode is ADC. The operand is either register or a memory. It is a 1-byte instruction. Add register to accumulator with carry instruction represent the data of the register or memory and the carry flag are added to the data of the accumulator. The result is stored in the accumulator. Example, ADC B. Next instruction is ADI, add immediate to a accumulator. The opcode is ADI. The operand is 8-bit immediate data. It is a 2-byte instruction. Add immediate to accumulated instruction denotes the 8-bit data is added to the data of the accumulator. The result is stored in the accumulator register. Example, ADI 05H. The 05H value is added to content of the accumulator and the result is stored in the accumulator register. Next instruction is DAD, add register pair to H and L registers. The opcode is DAD. The operand is register pair. It is a 2-byte instruction. The 16-bit content of any 8085 register pair are added to the content of the HL register pair. The result is also stored in the HL register pair. The carry flag is also updated with the result of the addition operation. No other flag bits are affected. Example, DAD B. Subtraction in 8085 microprocessor: any 8-bit number or the content of a register or the content of a memory location can be subtracted from the content of the accumulator and the result is stored in the accumulator register. The resulted borrow bit is stored in the carry flag. In 8085 microprocessor, no two other registers can be subtracted directly. SUB, subtract register or memory from accumulator. The opcode is SUB. The operand is either register or memory. It is a 1-byte instruction. The content of any register or memory location are subtracted from the content of the accumulator register. The corresponding difference is then saved in the accumulator register. If the operand is a memory, its address is specified by the HL register pair. All flags linked with the subtraction operations are updated with the result of the operation performed. Example, sub B. When this instruction is executed, the content of B register is subtracted with the content of accumulator register, and the result is stored in the accumulator register. Next instruction is SBB, subtract source and borrow from accumulator. The opcode is SBB, the operand is either register or a memory. It is a 1 byte instruction. Subtract source and borrow from accumulator instruction represent the content of the register or memory, and the borrow are subtracted from the content of the accumulator. The result is placed in the accumulator register. Example SBB. Next instruction is SUI, subtract immediate from accumulator. The opcode is SUI, the operand is 8-bit data. The instruction subtract immediate from accumulator represent the 8-bit data is subtracted from the data of the accumulator. The result is stored in the accumulator register. Example SUI 45H. Next instruction is SBI, subtract immediate from accumulator with borrow. The opcode is SBI, the operand is 8-bit data. It is a 2-byte instruction. The instruction subtract immediate from accumulator with borrow represent the 8-bit data, and the borrow are subtracted from the content of the accumulator. The result is stored in the accumulator register. Example SBI 04H. Increment and decrement operation in 8085 microprocessor. Every register or memory location hold the content of 8-bit data. These content can be incremented or decremented by a value of 1. If we consider register pairs, then the 16-bit contents can also be incremented or decremented by a value of 1. Next instruction is INR, increment register or memory by 1. The opcode is INR. The operand is either register or a memory. The instruction increment register or memory by 1 represent the content of the designated register or memory is incremented by 1, and the result is stored in the same place. Example INR B. Next instruction INX, increment register pair by 1. The opcode is INX RP, that means register pair. It is a 1-byte instruction. The instruction increment register pair by 1 represent increment the content of a register pair by the value of 1. The result is stored in the same place itself. For example INXH, when this instruction is executed, the content of HL register pair incremented by value of 1. The result is stored in HL register pair itself. Next instruction is DCR, decrement register or memory by 1. The opcode is DCR. The operand is either register or memory location. It is a 1-byte instruction. Decrement register or memory by 1 instruction represent the data of the designated register or memory is decremented by 1, and the result is stored in the same place. Example DCR B. Next instruction is DCX, that means decrement register pair by 1. The opcode is DCX RP. It is a 1-byte instruction. The DCX instruction decrement the content of the register pair by the value of 1. The result is stored in the same place itself. Example DCXH. When the instruction is executed, the content of HL register is decremented by 1. DAA, decimal adjust accumulator. The opcode is DAA. Decimal adjust accumulator instruction set represent the content of the accumulator are changed from a binary value to 2 4-bit binary coded decimal digits. If auxiliary carry flag is set, or the value of the low order 4 bits in the accumulator is more than 9, the instruction adds 6 to the low order 4 bits. If the value of the high order 4 bit in the accumulator is more than 9, or the carry flag is set, the instruction adds 6 to the high order 4 bits. Example DAA. Thank you for watching this video.